I don't think there'd be Rathalos info out yet. It's a bit early. Someone's probably writing up a guide now.
I mean, people have cleared it.
Round from a good fellow. Damaged souls.
I mean, I can cheese his tail swipes.
You're a tank. So you
I don't
shush.
get hit by them.
What? What do you mean you don't get hit by them?
I don't get hit by them.
Why?
Because I move.
Oh shit, Sherlock.
And I can stay near him too. It's amazing. It's like, I cheese him.
There's this dude called Carbon Vindex. It sounds like a German saying Windex. Ah yes, the Vindex.
Oh yes, it's wonderful.
Oh, you want to get that stain off? You'll need the Carbon Vindex, yes.
Except for the Holocaust, nothing can get rid of that stain.
Oh no no no. Yeah, I'm ready. Ready as I'll ever be.
Ready, steady.
What the
Let's
fuck?
do this.
Former
Let's go. Okay, let's go.
former Tataru. Wait, I thought this was a 4-man party. I thought it was a 4-man thing, not an 8-man.
But
Normal
EX.
is 8-man.
Only EX is 4-man.
Yeah, they make it harder.
Yeah.
I think we should
They tend to do with EX.
we should pay attention to like the transition thing so that we know what to do during EX.
Yeah.
They're
gonna be the same.
I think everyone who uses the title Deep Canal Raider it does it for sectional innuendo. It just sounds like in the bus stuff. I'm a Deep Canal Raider. Yum yum.
I've been raiding them canals.
You would.
I mean, I'd raid the fuck out of Nidhogg's canals, if you know what I'm saying. Hashtag demonetized.
Things Nidhogg says during canal raiding. It's like, he speaking dragon? No, he just getting fucked up the ass.
That's just Dragon for having a good time. Leave him alone. Leave him alone.
Can I see him legally blind?
So let healers mount.
And away.
No, fuck that. If normal hit gives a fuck.
I love how normal's already like, pah! Pathetic.
Normal's pathetic on anything. No,
Yeah.
fuck off. You can fuck right off, mister.
Does this one still ignore aggros?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rathalos in general does not do aggro.
That's kind of cool. Yay, me!
No.
I want that ass, boy. I want that ass.
Come on, Rathy. Come on, Rathy. You know you want it. You know you want this dragon ass.
Unfortunately, I can't see shit.
What's that?
All them spell effects. It's like
Overwhelming your big telly?
whoever's a red mage, can you kindly fuck off using your flowers?
I'm sorry.
No.
There's both of them.
Hey,
can fuck right
Aya, let's damn
Only
it.
use flower?
No, we can't because both of ours are fucking, both of ours are, what's it called, macros, so we can't constantly just use impact. Plus, I'm pretty sure impact is like limited.
Impact you have to use after
every
jolt
second.
too anyway, so you just keep spamming your impact jolt macro and it'll keep doing it for you. I mean, that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna keep spamming flowers.
I thought these fuckers are supposed to help us. Or is that only an EX?
It's supposed to help if people don't kill them.
Eh.
Oh shit, I'm gonna get hit.
Oh, does
You're
it?
fine.
Thanks, big boy. Thanks, gorilla.
I want to mount.
Wait.
Oh, Neffy's up there.
Go, Neffy
Ow.
boy!
Ow!
Yee-hoo! Ride him, cowboy! Wait, we gotta kill gorilla now? Okay.
Ow.
So what are we meant to be attacking? Gorilla?
Yes,
Okay.
kill it.
Okay.
I don't know how to survive the next thing though. That still confuses me.
I mean, how many times did you do this one before you started EX?
Once.
Once.
Yeah, exactly. Of course.
Right, so how do we survive this again?
I don't know.
Oof!
Ow. Oh, I see.
I see it. I see it.
I see fuck all.
No, I know what you do.
Yeah,
What?
I see.
I
I see.
see.
I see. I see.
Right, shush, don't say anything.
Well, so we should all mount?
No, only one person can mount, but I know what you need to do now.
Oh, okay.
I don't think that person sees what they have to do either.
I
Instead,
mean,
let the healer
well,
mount.
where if they die though?
So,
Oh, they should be able to see.
how do we...
Well, what do we do?
Yeah.
No.
Gray, do we tell them or not?
No.
Okay.
I have 9 minutes. Tell me now.
No.
This dude should just kill himself.
I know, he's wasting time.
Or he's
Well,
gonna
he's
die
dead
from
now.
Thank you.
I mean, as long as I
That's-
live, then I can
I was about
rest.
to type out, boy, much like the shitter, you need to learn when to wipe.
I mean, that makes perfect sense to me.
Fuck your aggro. It's funny I can pull it and he doesn't like auto gimp me because he doesn't have aggro.
Ah.
Aww.
I was worried about the slow cooker because I've got slow cooker going, but the thing just goes on warm mode once it's finished anyway, so it's fine.
I like how these people are stupid.
Have some more flowers, Neppy boy. I see my spells have a lasting impact.
Get out.
Puns are real.
Leave.
Stop that, it's silly. Ow!
Ow!
Oh, what are you doing? Ah, God, get out of there. Let's get out of here!
Lol, I used the potion as he was throwing me flying. So I restored health. Like, if you actually hit the potion and then he hits you, you go flying but you still heal.
Why can't they be like that in Monster Hunter?
I'm guessing you just
I
go
know,
flying
right?
and die in that.
Yes. Yes, and it uses up your potion.
Oh, rip.
Instead of Monster Hunter, you just get oofed.
FF actually lets you heal.
Here comes Big Boy.
Oh.
I can't move.
Ow.
I got slapped.
You got hit by that too, aggro.
We're dead.
I got slapped.
What just
So I
happened?
couldn't fucking move and mount him.
I thought... Oh, we're supposed to mount
Someone
Gorilla?
has to mount him.
Yeah, no
Oh,
one mounted
no one
him.
mounted Rattle.
I went to mount him, but I was fled. No one killed the sheeps.
Wait, meant to kill the sheeps?
Yes, you need to kill the sheeps.
Man, this is gonna take ages.
It's fine if people weren't retarded.
I'm sorry.
Not you, Nev.
It's my
Ow.
first day!
Hey, it's my second time
Ow.
in this fight, and I already know this shit.
All I know is people die when they're killed.
No, they don't. Do we die when we're killed? No, we just get respawned and the name stays right, or a healer.
So we're meant to attack the sheep now?
Kill the sheep, don't hurt the co-world.
Okay.
Ah, I'm stunned. I'm stunned. Oh, don't sleep me. No. No, I'm
No!
slept.
Oh.
Oh, the coral's meant to be hitting Rathalos.
Okay, cool. Oh, I'm getting oofed again. Yeah. Oh my god, third time.
Because you're the furthest away.
Oh really, is that how it works?
I believe so.
I got food delivery. Oh.
Is Big Boy gonna come out and give us a hand yet?
Mm-hmm.
You're
There
coming.
he is.
Do you have to interact with the mount?
Yes.
And I'm guessing I just mashed my keyboard.
Yes.
You're just like, button B.
See you, Neffy.
Ah.
Basically, healer's supposed to do that.
Now you hide behind the corpse.
Ah!
You did it and you didn't even know.
Laffy, you lived. What are you talking about?
Well, someone cast their healing bubbles, so I thought that may have had an effect.
That's what I thought the first time when the Astro Bubble was like perfectly placed on it.
I guess I just did it for lols.
No, go away from me.
It's like, I'm sorry I died. Real men don't look at explosions. Stabby stab. Stabby stab.
Got the tail.
Tail! Tail! Get the tail!
I'm guessing reses don't work in this phase?
Oh. There you go. I didn't know you were dead.
Oh, you died again?
I got res and I immediately got poisoned. So it's like, have fun.
Neffy
Ah.
potion. I love how potion is just like 100% HP.
Stuck with me.
No. That doesn't even do much.
I
Alright.
had 6 people, or 4 people stack with me. And it gives me a burn debuff.
Yeah, that's what the healer is in this. It's basically an Asuna bot.
Yeah. Neffy back up again, yay.
Yeah, I got him up. I read Neff both times.
Get that tail. Yeah.
Let's just do this.
What, limit break him?
Blind everyone.
Poor Neffy can't see now.
I mean, I made this mistake by not turning my light on, so that's on me.
You're in a dark. You're in the dark. Well, no shit. Your house is always dark because trying to save money on them power bills. So we're just gonna keep doing this until he dies, huh?
That's why this fight is easy.
Because once you get past the other thing, you're fine. And now you know how to do it. It's like, oh yeah, this is embarrassingly easy.
It was easy the first time as well. Like, it's not hard.
No,
He's
it's
just
not.
annoying.
He's just annoying. EX though, that is hard.
EX is pretty tricky.
Fucking hell, ran away from me while I was trying to melee combo him. He's like a boy with ADHD, he's got a short attention span, he just fucking jumps from random thing to thing.
Oh shit,
So-
please.
Ow!
Please, just let me get the fuck up.
So I'm gonna attack you now. Ooh, piece of candy. Ow. I've been bamboozled.
Have you?
Now carve everything.
The graphics on him look really nice though.
Mm-hmm.
It's like he's the nicest looking thing in this game. Apart from the character models, of course. Yeah, don't jump in, cat, like you did work. Because I don't get to carve a scale or two. Why can't I scale the entire thing and then I'm done with this? Rip every single scale off and you're done with it.
I mean, it could be worse. At least you're not hunting for Ruby.
Alright, shall we go back into EX while Laffy has dinner then?
Yes.
I'm gonna go make my dinner.
Okay, then we won't.
Oh, we'll have a break then, and we'll converge.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Can you later?
Yeah.
Oh, like fuck me, that EX. Oh God.
I'm gonna go find a fresh learning party.
A what?
What?
A learning party for Rathalos.
Oh.